Hello everyone, today we'll be covering the Huobi Christmas Referral Event. In this event, users stand to share a pool of $10 million worth of DOGE and SHIB tokens by referring your friends to Huobi and by sharing this event. The rewards are based on a daily prize pool, and newly registered users who complete KYC will also be able to qualify for the share of $10 million worth of DOGE and SHIB tokens. The more friends you invite, the more rewards you'll get. The event will start from the 18th of November 2021 until the 19th of January 2022. To get started, ensure you have a verified Huobi account. On the main page, you can tap on the Christmas event icon or select the scrolling banner to access this event. On the event page, you can start inviting your friends to earn points, and these points will allow you to get a share of the reward pool. Your reward for the day will be calculated as follows. Prize pool of the day times your points divided by the total points of all the users of the day. So, for example, if the rewards of the day is 50,000 DOGE tokens, the total points of all the users is 10,000 and your points is 100, the calculation will be as follows. 50,000 DOGE tokens times 100 divided by 10,000, and this will give you a reward of 500 DOGE tokens. To unlock your rewards, all you have to do is to ensure that all your invitees does the KYC on Huobi Global. For example, if user A invites 100 users and has a reward of 500 DOGE token, but only 80 users finishes the KYC, then the reward for the day will be calculated as follows. 500 DOGE tokens times 80 divided by 100 total users, which gives you 400 DOGE tokens. Once the rewards are unlocked, a fruit will light up on the Christmas tree where you can click on them to receive your rewards. Your rewards will be distributed across 3 days as follows. 50% on the first day, 30% on the second day, and on the third day, the remaining 20%. Users are able to collect rewards during the event period. After the 18th of January, any unclaimed points or rewards will be invalid. To earn more points, you can invite more friends and ensure they complete the KYC process, which will give you 1 point for each friend you invite. Alternatively, you can create a short video or share this video. To share this video, click on View Tutorial and it will bring you to a YouTube video. You can directly copy the YouTube link and share it on your social media like TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc. Once you have done that, submit your social media link to the event page. Or you can create an original short video to introduce this event and share it to your social media pages and submit your social media link to the event page. And by doing so, you will receive 3 points. However, there will be no multiple points for multiple submissions. And for new users who sign up through the referral links, you will receive 1 point. Something important to note is that there will be no prize pool for the 17th and the 18th of January 2022. However, you are still able to collect rewards on that day. So good luck to all the participants of this event, and ho 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 though.